What is up, you guys? Welcome to session number 59. We are diving into this Friday, February 23rd. We see S&P hitting record high above 5,100. We are watching it closely in the local 30 here. We'll get to that. We'll get to the day chart and the 6-month chart. But yeah, guys, so we're reaching, we reached 5,000 around, I think, week and a half ago. S&P 500 is up on helps of NVIDIA earnings. So earnings report on NVIDIA came out way better than expected, helping the S&P 500 really kill it this week, making that all-time high. If you guys have not seen the previous two videos that we posted, it's all about NVIDIA, guys. If you want to go and look at those videos to see how we reacted to NVIDIA earnings this week. So let's dive in now. S&P stabilized Friday after hitting another record as investors look to end the week on a high note. S&P added 0.2% today. Broad market index broke above 5,100 for first time. Dow Jones adding 114 points, 0.3%, and then NASDAQ adding 0.1. So here it is. Wall Street is coming off a monster session yesterday, as NVIDIA shares roared higher on strong quarterly results, leading the chip maker to surpass a $2 trillion valuation, being the third, they're on their pace to reach Apple and Microsoft. So we'll see in the next couple of years, or in the next year, if they surpass. If they keep going the way they're going, this could be the most valuable company in America. So S&P had its best day since January 2023. NASDAQ popped 3% for its best session since February 2023, and the 30 stock Dow gained 1.2%. So here's a little graph, guys. We could see, the past 5 days, we were really selling off here right before NVIDIA earnings, and right when NVIDIA earnings came out on Wednesday, it really popped, guys. It really popped up here towards that 5,100 range there, making a high of 5,111. So we'll look at the graph here in a minute. We do have news on Block. It is a Mogul 30 stock, surging more than 17% after a quarter. Fourth quarter revenue surpassed Wall Street estimates. And then we have Carvana, not a Mogul 30 stock, climbing 35% after used car retailer said it expects retail units to grow in 2024. So that is pretty much the news today on February 23rd in the stock market. We're ending the week really at highs here for SPX, S&P 500. Let's go ahead and see how the market's reacting. So we're looking right now at the 1 day, 1 minute chart on SPX, S&P 500. So we see it really starting the day around here, really popping at the beginning to 5,111 there at the high, selling off below that 200-day moving average here, making its way back up, selling off, making its way back up, and then we're testing that 200-day right now currently at the 5,096. So we're testing 5,100 levels here. We did break it today, but we'll see if the market ends above 5,100 today. If we go to a longer time frame, the 6 month, you could really see it really making all-time highs there, 5,111 there. So that is SPX. Let's go ahead and go to the Spider ETF. So SPY really making a statement there on the 6-month chart. Really, look at that graph, guys. Really doesn't even fit the screen here, but you see it really bouncing off that 50-day all the way up. We went below that 50-day, but we did break that after the NVIDIA earnings, and we have a high there at 510. So S&P 500 making all-time highs, the Spider Index, and then QQQ. This follows the NASDAQ 100, also making a high there at the 440.59 mark there on the 6-month chart. So that is the update on how the market is reacting today based off the help of NVIDIA earnings this week. really getting investor trust back in the market, and we're looking pretty healthy, guys. And Nvidia is really helping other tech stocks as well, guys. We saw them announce earnings. We see major companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon really investing heavily in Nvidia chips for the AI, for their AI stuff, their AI products. So we're going to see if we can really see this AI boom really keep going, guys. So that is the update. QQQ, guys, we are not going to be buying today at the all-time high. It's at the 63 RSI level. We're going to wait until this comes back down a little bit more before we buy in again. So that is update on Qs. We did not do we did not sell option this week. We did not do a cash care put. We're looking to do a cash care put maybe next week. And then once we get assigned on a cash care put, then we'll do a cover call. But we did not do any selling options this week in the portfolio. So that is the update on the options play. We kind of sat out this week, just based off, Nvidia earnings. We didn't know where the market was going to go. And now we see it really making all-time highs today. So we're going to try and get back in next week. Now for the $10 buy of the day, we're looking at the stocks that are down right now. We do have more than yesterday, guys, more than yesterday. As yesterday, we only saw around 3 or 4 or 5 that were down on the day. So really, we have Tesla presenting, down 1.78%. If we look right here, it's trading at the 47 RSI level. We also have Palantir that's down 1.72%. We're gonna actually try and see. It's not really presenting a good enough deal for us to really jump in. Airbnb at the 56. Apple, it's trading at 182. We could add into our Apple position, as we think it's hopefully going to stay at that 180 level there, resistance right here at 180. So I think we might actually just add into Apple. So let's go ahead and do a $10 buy of Apple. We've been wanting to really buy this lately, and it went up this week around the 184 level. We're waiting for that to come back down. It's 182 right now, so it's good enough. And if it keeps going down, we'll buy more next week. So let's go ahead and lock in a $10 buy of Apple. All right, $10 buy, order quantity 0.5473. Let's go ahead and lock that in. All right, we got filled at 182.73, guys, on that Apple buy. So that is the $10 buy of the day, and we are not going to be trimming today, as we kind of want to just hold our positions right now and see where the market goes. So our rule for trimming is we need at least one share, and all these companies that we have one share in are not presenting really a good enough opportunity for us to really trim. So we're gonna wait for trimming, and we're just gonna be holding right now and just continuing to buy these $10 buys a day. And then we're gonna wait until Qs comes back down here to really start diving into that again. So that is trading session number 59. We went over today, S&P 500 market really making all-time high today. We have SPX really at the 5,094. So we're gonna really see if this makes closes above 5,100 by the end of this trading session. So we're going to watch for that to see if it makes it above 5,100. And then we bought Apple, $10 buy, and then we are pausing. We took a break on selling options this week. We're going to try and jump back in next week. So that is trading session number 59. If you're not subscribed here yet, please consider subscribing if you like this content, and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're not part of our Discord yet, go over to mogulfellows.com, check out membership, get that invite while it's free, guys. We are going to be starting to charge here soon for it, so get your spot while it is free. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the outro.